Hello friends, welcome to ITIL Tutorials Committed to Excellence. Please like, subscribe, share and comment our channel. Chapter 2 Acid, Bases and Salts. Acids. The characteristics of acids are sour in taste. They contain hydrogen ion. They turn blue litmus solution red. Acid solutions conduct electricity. To the classification of acids. Students, natural acids are obtained from natural sources. They are called natural acids, or we said that they are organic acids. For example, methanoic acid, acetic acid and oxalic acid. Now mineral acids, acids that are prepared from minerals are known as mineral acids. Inorganic acids, man-made acids or synthetic acids are also known as mineral acids. For example, hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, phosphoric acid, carbonic acid, etc. Properties of acids. First, reaction of acid and bases with metals. When a metal reacts with an acid, it generally displaces hydrogen from the acid. It leads to the evolution of hydrogen gas. Metal plus acid, it gives salt plus hydrogen. For example, when hydrogen gas and zinc chloride are formed when hydrochloric acid reacts with the zinc metal. Second, the reaction of metal carbonates or the metal bicarbonates with acids. Metal carbonates or bicarbonates, when react with acids, they produce salt, carbon dioxide and water. For example, the reaction of sodium carbonate with hydrochloric acids gives us sodium chloride, carbon dioxide and water. Reaction of metal oxide with acids. The metal oxide react with acids, they produce salt and water. For example, reaction of copper oxide and dilute hydrochloric acid. Next, the reaction of non-metal oxide with bases. When the non-metal oxide react with bases, they produce salt and water. The reaction between acids and bases. When they react, they produce salt and water, and the reaction between acid and bases to give salts is known as a neutralization reaction. The example is the reaction of sodium hydroxide with hydrochloric acid. To the bases. Characteristic of bases. They are bitter in taste, they have soapy touch, they turn red litmus blue, they conduct electricity in solution and releases OH negative ions in aqueous solution. Some bases are great conductors of electricity. Chemical properties of bases. Reaction of base with metals. When alkali react with metal, it produces salt and hydrogen gas. Alkali plus metal, it gives salt plus hydrogen. For example, sodium hydroxide gives hydrogen gas and sodium zincate when reacts with the zinc metal. Reaction of base with non-metal oxide. Bases react with non-metal oxide to form salt and water. Non-metal oxide plus base, it gives salt and water. Calcium hydroxide, lime water, it is a base and carbon dioxide is a non-metal oxide. When they react with each other, salt and water are produced in the reaction. Neutralization reaction. An acid neutralizes a base when they react with each other and respective salt and water are formed. Acid plus base gives salt plus water. For example, sodium chloride and water are formed when hydrochloric acid react with sodium hydroxide. Reaction of acid with metal oxides. Metal oxides are basic in nature, thus when an acid reacts with a metal oxide, both neutralize each other. In this reaction, the respective salt and water are formed. Acid plus metal oxide, it gives salt and water. Example, calcium is a metal, thus calcium oxide is a metallic oxide which is basic in nature. When an acid such as hydrochloric acid react with calcium oxide, neutralization reaction takes place and calcium chloride along with water is formed. Strength of acid and base. Students, for water or neutral solution, the pH value is 7. For acidic solution, pH is less than 7, and for basic solutions, pH is greater than 7. Indicator. The color matching chart is supplied with a universal indicator which shows the different colors of different values of pH. pH value shown by different colors. Importance of pH in our daily life. pH in our digestive system, pH and tooth decay, pH of soil and plant growth, pH and survival of animals, self-defense for animals and plants through chemical warfare. Important topic: salts. Salts are the ionic compounds which are produced after the neutralization reaction between acid and base. They are electrically neutral. Powder. Scientific name of bleaching powder is calcium oxychloride. Its formula is CaOCl2. Its common name is bleaching powder. It prepares by passing chlorine gas over dry slaked lime. Uses: for bleaching cotton textile, for disinfecting drinking water, as an oxidizing agent in chemical industries, and manufacturing chloroform. Baking soda. Scientific name sodium hydrogen carbonate. Its chemical formula is NaHCO3. Its common name baking soda. Now, it is prepared on reacting the cold concentrated sodium chloride solution with NH3 and CO2. Its uses: preparing baking powder, manufacturing of soda water in fire extinguishers, as an antacid in. Its scientific name is sodium carbonate and its formula is Na2CO3 into 10 water. Common name is washing soda. It is prepared by recrystallization of sodium carbonate in water. Uses: softening hard water in washing clothes in proper paint and textile industries, manufacturing glass, borax and caustic soda extract. The scientific name is sodium hydroxide. Formula is NaOH. Common name caustic soda. Preparing by passing electricity through concentrated NaCl solution. Uses: in detergents and soap, in paper making, in bleach manufacturing, in bauxite purification to extract aluminium. Common salt. Scientific name sodium chloride. Chemical formulas NaCl. Its common name is common salt. It is prepared by a combination reaction of NaOH and HCl. Uses: as raw material for making many chemical, and it is used in cooking food. Plaster of Paris. Scientific name is calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Chemical formula CaSO4 half water. Common name is POP. It is prepared by heating gypsum at 373 Kelvin. Its uses: it is used for making statues, models, toys, etc. For making fireproof materials and for setting fractured bone. Thank you very much students for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, share and comment your video and wait for the next video. Thank you very much.